Che, what's up? Welcome to Ocean Cebu. What's yung pangalan ni sir? Cebu Ocean Pearl. Yeah, let's go. What's up? Welcome to Cebu Ocean Pearl Beach Resort. So we're here with our group assembly, our mini GAs here at the Goochee Boys. Yes, up. Welcome to King and Jab's channel. Please support our vlogs.
Click.
Click right there and then there. Okay. Maria is here. Hey, excuse me, Maria. Can we ask what's the process of coming here? Are you doing some? Are you signing some waiver? Okay, it's like you're behind bars, you know. So guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be shooting some clips later on, and we're gonna show you the view inside in a couple of minutes. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
So guys, we're here inside the Ocean Pearl rather Beach Resort. So I'm gonna show you the view. Here's what it is. And we're walking inside rather. And she's kind of busy. Say hi to my fans, followers. So I think here's the pool right here. There you can see the beach. Okay. And here's the cottages. We're on SG10. So some safety precautions. Vandalism is strictly prohibited, and warning: severe fine shall be imposed once you are caught. Okay. It's kind of a bit slippery. Yeah. You see that?
Outlet, sir. So, charge kita.
So what can you say? See to me now.
Yes, hi.
See to me. Huh? And here you can see some. I think there's some mangroves around here. And there it is. So here's Cebu Ocean Pearl Beach Resort. So stay tuned for the next clip. Copyright tayo sa music nito ah. Yeah. Yes up. Kaya ko play ba?
Asa ka? Asa man ka?
Hey, what's up, brother? So guys, ito pala yung head cook natin in the house. He's doing some grilling, and he's grilling the chicken. And here's his apprentice, Jiro. Jiro Iksoni, Jira. Kau ba ni Sira? Sira ulo. How's your day with Cebu Ocean Park? I mean, Ocean Pearl, diba? Cebu Ocean Pearl. So they're doing the grilling. So, can you hook up some subscribers out there? Can you say something? Kayo. Shit. So let's zoom in the... My God. Sarap po. Ganyan kayo mag-grill. So, we have pork and chicken drumsticks, and backbones. What's that? What's that? Wala. Thigh. It's a thigh. Sorry. It's a thigh. So we're doing the native way of cooking food. That's what we call suba. Inihaw sa Tagalog.
Yeah, brother.
Okay, what can you say about the beach house?
Just came in for only 10 minutes.
10 minutes. That sounds absurd, but we're gonna keep working on it. See what it does. So we're exiting this resort and stay tuned. Hey, what do you say about the dog summoning? So we can ride. Oh, Sagtangan.
Sige, tara.
Asan mo ni? So ni? Asa ta uy?
150 ang mga pangayon, sir? Ha? 150.
Kakaza, sir.
Dong 150.
150 ka raw sa?
Oh, taxi ba? Basta yung sulti nyo may 150. Buday 150 di ha. Di, parking mo na brother. Lahi mo ng parking sa running.
Sir, we're actually walking right now. There's no motorcycle.
Zero. Sunset.
It's the sunset. Riding now the
Very new motorcycle.
very new. You're like habal-habal now ha.
Taga lang kami, boy.
Ngano ka na ang gamit kuya? Asan ang blue? Aw, kani mo ani.
Oh, ha?
Kinsa man na?
Lalo na nimo. Salig lang.
Alag laom. Bus pala eh, plite pa dong kuan, shopwise 150.
Pagkina ya.
Amping. Apitan niyo. Say, huy. Apitan ni. We're walking right now. We're going home.
Yes.
Okay. So what happened is our van got messed up. The engine broke. Some engine malfunction. So we're walking right now while our van was getting fixed. So it's a form of exercise that we're doing right now. What can you say about it?
Yes, we tried to ride for a motorcycle and we've been asked to pay for 150 pesos.
Boy, 150.
Damn, dude. So expensive.
Was it so absurd?
Yeah. So expensive, dude.
You can only just pay for it like 50 peso or like 40 peso.
Yeah.
Yeah, we only pay for 40 peso when we get here. So it's black in here. It's black, eh?
You know? Jay Abel. You know Jay Abel?
Who's Aaron? Hey Aaron, I'll be there. Hey, Who's Aaron Albida, ha?
AR
Who's AR now?
now, dude.
AR now?
What's
up? Who's Chilaido? Who's Chilaido? You're liar, ha? You're liar. Putang na. So we're currently walking down the street.
Yeah,
Heading home.
you can see on the left side, there's a lot of trees of banana trees.
This area right here is still vacant. It's still for rent. Lodging for rent.
Yes.
It's 20 peso per night, so you can enjoy the view. You know,
Yeah.
all you need to do, you don't have to bring blankets or any pillows. There's bunny sagging.
You just bring to cover your face, dude.
Just cover your face. All you need to do is bunny sagging, like branch. Sana all cute. Cute. So guys,
Gani.
we're just gonna end this video, and I'm gonna post part 2 of this video because the length is it's very lengthy as of the moment. We're gonna get it done like a day or two. Currently riding our TRex. We just got it delivered from the United States, from my hometown in Salt Lake City. And I got my mom send this vehicle via airdrop using a chopper. So we got it here now, and
Hi to Kuya.
say hi to our driver. Here's our driver of this T-Rex. It's brand new. It's worth like 3.5 billion. I mean million rather. We're kind of rich. Here's our chaperones. Yeah. Here's there's their those are the 2 butlers. The 2 butlers, and my maids, my 6 maids, they haven't come yet. I just got them have them take shower first to have their ginamos washable. Yeah. So we're killing. We can't do overspeeding here because it's public. So the maximum speed is like 300 kilometers per hour. It's kind of a bit fast, you know, fast and furious. So if you kind of like this thing, just you can buy it now. If you can see you can see the setup. It's a T-Rex. You know? It's 500cc times 2. It's 1,000. So you can see here. Here's the driving seat. Here's the new throttle right there. It's from Dubai.
Where's the bumper?
What?
Where's the bumper?
The bumper.
The bumper.
The bumper is here. You see?
Yes.
This is the bumper. You can see this is
Spoiler.
the spoiler. There's no movie yet I can spoil, so let me spoil you up later, okay? If you see me now. Hit the subscribe button right down there. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. I've said it 3 times, 5 times already. So let's keep it up. Hey, so here's our T-Rex, man. So we're gonna go out. Sup, homies? Sup! Yeah! Hey, can you say it to me? Say it to me now. Hi. Okay, atay. Sir, do you have smoke, sir?
Sir.
Appreciate it.
Sir! Ayun, sir. Makulit ito, sir. Ayun ito. Sir! Sir! Tama mo, tama na. Manok? Pakpo? Pagpalan ka lang sa manok? Hindi ra. Pangalang mo. Kita. Dili ni, kita. Yan pila ka putay, isa ra lang. Pangalang? Lapu may
Go.
sobrang manok.
Do you have any suggestions or comments Violent reactions or what?
Todo ba ka? Wala po ko.
So we just arrived at our place, Flex. So this is where we're gonna sleep tonight. We're gonna do some sleep over. Here's with our muscle guy. He's from the UFC. Banana ketchup. Hey, here's our heavyweight fighter, fighting for heavyweight champion, fighting for the belt, black belt of the night. Here's our lightweight, featherweight, super tiny thin. That we're fighting for. Yeah. Guys, let's end this, cut this up, and see ya. Yeah, let's go.